Madam Speaker, it is therefore proven that the police, instead of acting in their protection role, actually provokes demonstrators who are otherwise very peaceful. In the provocation, Madam Speaker, there's tear gas, there's water batons, there's live bullets, which are used to shoot innocent, peaceful, unarmed demonstrators.
As leaders from Luo Nyanza, you must lead from the front. You must stop mobilizing your people to death. You must say enough is enough and no more bloodshed. How many liters of blood do you want? For you to be able to negotiate yourselves in power, you shall no longer use bloodshed to negotiate yourselves into power. No more bloodshed in this country to negotiate yourselves.
Order.
The issues the people are demonstrating against are not about Raila Odinga. They cannot be issues about Raila Odinga. Kenyans are simply tired. Kenyans are simply feeling overburdened. Kenyans are simply feeling pushed to the wall by unjust taxes, by punitive taxes that have been imposed by this regime. So Kenyans are in their right to demonstrate against those unjustified taxation measures. And that is what Kenyans are doing. They will do it today, they will do it tomorrow, they will do it tomorrow but one, and they will do it up next year, whether Raila Odinga is involved or not.
We saw matatus being torched. It is not fair, and there is nobody who is condemning that. And the readers are here saying, oh, we are suffering from flu, others they were aware. If you say you are calling for demonstration, come out and lead from front. Anyway, Madam Speaker, let me stop it there. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
I'm very disappointed when I see honorable members thinking the death of any Kenyan, whether the Kenyan is coming from Makuĩte, whether the Kenyan is coming from Luoland, whether the Kenyan is coming from Kikuyu, and death of any Kenyan must worry us as representatives.